Alright, I've tried to film this video like 2 other times. This would be the 3rd time. The weather is absolutely ass. It's sprinkling a little bit out here, like the tiniest bit. So I'm gonna try and like quickly fly this battery. No warm-up battery. We're just full sending it one time because I charged this battery yesterday and tried to fly yesterday, but I couldn't find a good spot and the sun went down, so yeah, my hands are freezing and I'm gonna try and rip as hard as possible and hopefully get a good video out of this. Dude, if I look stupid, just be nice, all right? All right, this thing on here. Sync my audio. I think my camera's a little angled low. Oh my gosh. This thing is screaming. There's people next to me playing soccer. They're probably like, what is going on? Went a little too hard. Yeah, I think it's fine. Give us a chance to fix the camera angle. Give me a second to fix the camera angle. I have to run over there because the GoPro moves when I slam it like that. It doesn't really hold very tight. It's not really good, but I feel like I've been crashing so much more lately. If you guys follow me on Instagram or TikTok, I've been crashing so much. It's not good. Surprisingly, my hands don't feel super cold. Close one. Ooh, I didn't know the gate was there. I kind of thought that was in the field. Oh, saved it! I thought it was done. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Alright, let's try something. I'm a little scared to go there. One day. That's the setup. That's the setup. A little power loop right there. It's pretty gnarly, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah. Good little session. I need to learn more tricks. I favor this right side so much. I don't know, it's just kind of easier for me. Oh yeah, I'm mowing the lawn. Ooh, that was kind of clean. That was kind of clean. 19 volts, we're coming back. Quick little hello. Let's call it. I want to do some more of these just quick like 4 or 5 minute, 6 minute flights. So if you guys like these, I like doing like the whole videos too, where I go out and make them like 20 minutes long and it's a little bit more interactive, but I personally like watching people just rip for a couple minutes and then just cut it there. So if you guys like this, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for the love on the channel so far. It's been freaking awesome, and yeah, thanks guys. Peace.